We went from having a lot of machine frames and machines that were out of tune and they didn't work, to a bunch of machines now that are tuned, they work, and they have a purpose. If I had these machines and I was getting ready to do a tattoo, I would think about how the machines work and how the tattoo is and what machine would work best for that tattoo. If I had a small tattoo that needed some color with some smaller mags, I would probably use this machine and put a 7 mag or a 9 mag in there. If I needed a bigger colored tattoo, I would go with this one right here. Less tension on the back, nice hard hit, longer stroke. Bigger coils, I can put a bigger mag on that and run a bigger mag and pack color, so I would choose this one. If I needed to do some line work and build up the line work, I would go with the first tattoo machine that I ever had right here. If I needed to do some line work, I would go with this one because it has a short stroke, not a lot of tension in the back, and it's really fast. If I needed to do shading, I would go with this machine right here. A lot of tension on the back and a medium stroke, and it runs faster if you like to shade faster. If you like to shade slower, I would go back to this machine right here, because this is set up at about 120 cycles per second. This one's set up at about 150 cycles per second. I pick and choose what machine I'm going to use for the tattoo. And because I know how tattoo machines work, I can look at a machine and tell what it's going to be good for. And this is why I would say you need to know about machines, because you can pick and choose what machine is going to work the best for the tattoo you are doing, if you know what to look for. And there's so many times that I do something really simple that fixes somebody's tattoo machine. All it was a minor adjustment, like adjusting the contact screw, or just making sure the wires weren't touching, or adjusting the length of the springs. Something real simple can take a tattoo machine from not working to working, and working well, if you know what you're doing. This is why I mess with coil machines, because I can keep these things running and I can fix these things. And I'm going to get into rotaries more, and we're going to start fixing some rotaries more. I have a box here that is full of messed up rotaries. I have a box here that is full of rotary parts. I really love this little rotary, but the motor went out on it. So I can just replace the motor and get this working again. The knockoff Stealths I really liked, but they like to break. So I really like them, but they like to break. So we're going to get into rotaries. Those of you who are really into rotaries, and I'm going to start showing you how to fix those as well. But if you have some coil machines and you watch these videos, it should really help you out. Because if you know how to adjust and fix a coil machine, this thing's going to run forever. And if it breaks, you just fix a spring or make an adjustment, and it's running again. So this is Nick Durant with Tattoo University. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned a thing or two.